Let's make another drink I hate, the Flaming Margarita from Brewstillery. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming my margarita glass. And I've got a lime here. I'm going to run that around the edge. I'm going to let that sit for just a little bit. And then I'm going to put it through the salt. And I'm not the best at rimming glasses, but this drink doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Not bad. Next, I'm going to fill my glass with ice, but first I got to get some ice. Now that I have some ice, I'm going to fill my glass with ice. Now, 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, and that goes right in the glass. I'll get my cap on my bottle. Okay. 1 ounce of the FlameBringer Sriracha Rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. FlameBringer Sriracha Rum, I said that correct, didn't I? We'll find out. 6 ounces of San Pellegrino Limonata. 6 ounces is 180 milliliters. And I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to top it off. And the recipe does not say to stir, but I think I'm going to risk it. I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to stir. Now that I've stirred it, I'm going to garnish with a lime wheel. And I did cut it so it could sit on the edge. Let's see if it stays on the edge. Not bad. And there you have it, the Flaming Margarita from Brewstillery. I would say drink with good spirits. This is a good spirit, it's just an unfortunate drink. Here we go. Man, that's horrible.